Hi everyone, welcome to the second lesson of our recurrence relations topic, and today we're going to look at calculating previous terms in a recurrence relation. So as well as finding the next term in a sequence, a recurrence relation can be used to identify previous terms in a sequence. In the last lesson we maybe started off with u0 and we were trying to work out u1, u2, u3 and so on, but today we're going to look at going back the way and identifying previous terms. So we'll look at a couple of examples here. So the first one, a recurrence relation is defined as un plus 1 equals 2un plus 3 with u3 equal to 25. So we're starting with u3 and we have to work out the value of u1. So I'm just going to write down the relation that we've got. Un plus 1 is equal to 2un plus 3. Now we know that u3 is equal to 25, so I also know that u3 would have come from 2 times u2 plus 3. And I know that u3 is 25, so this 2u2 plus 3 I can make equal to 25. And what this gives us here is a nice wee equation to solve where we can work out the value of u2. So if I subtract 3 from each side, I get that 2u2 must be equal to 22. So if I now divide each side by 2, I get that u2 is equal to 11. I can now use this information to work backwards and work out the value of u1. So again, u2 would have come from 2 times u1 plus 3. But I now know that u2 is equal to 11. So 2 times u1 plus 3 must be equal to 11. And this again gives us a nice equation to solve. 2u1 plus 3 equals 11. So if I subtract 3 from each side, I get that 2u1 is equal to 8. And if I now divide each side by 2, I get that u1 is equal to 4. So I've now worked backwards and found my value of u1. What I'm going to ask you to do is pause the video and attempt this question on the right hand side. Right folks, hopefully you've had time to work through this question. I'll just read through it. A recurrence relation is defined as un plus 1 equals un minus 4 with u7 equal to 2. Find the value of u5. So this time we're starting with u7 and we have to work out u5. Again, I'm just going to start by writing down the recurrence relation. Un plus 1 equals un minus 4. Now I know u7, so u7 would have come from u6 minus 4. And I know that u7 is equal to 2, so I can make this equal to 2. And this gives a nice wee equation to solve. u6 take away 4 equals 2. So to get u6 on its own, I'm going to add 4 to each side, and I get that u6 must be equal to 6. Now that I've got u6, I can use that to work backwards and work out what u5 is. So u6 would have come from u5 take away 4. I know that u5 take away 4 would have been equal to 6. And again, this gives me a nice little equation to solve. So u5 take away 4 equals 6. If I add 4 to each side, I get that u5 is equal to 10. And there we are, there's our answer.